Hello and welcome back to Yoga in 15 Minutes. I'm Julie Everhealth Holly and this is my assistant Malcolm Huey. And today we're still going to stay working in the Muladhara or root chakra. And this week we're going to be exploring postures to help you overcome fear. So let's get started and let me set our timer. Our 15 minutes begins now. So on the inhale, you're going to take your arms up overhead, lengthen your side body, hug the shoulder blades together. Go ahead and turn your palms forward. You're going to kind of paw the sky. On your exhale, bow forward, keeping the arms extended. And you're going to stay up on your fingertips. From here, plug your arms into your shoulders, hug your shoulder blades together. Take a few rounds of breath here. Good. Deep inhale. Exhale. Walk your fingers over to the right. Just go where you can. Take a few rounds of breath. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the left. Good. Inhale back to center. Exhale once again. Take a bow. Keep the arms plugged in. Good. Go ahead and walk your fingers back. Come back to a seated position. Good. And then from here, we're going to come to all fours. You're going to have your fingers pointed straight ahead, wrists, elbows, and shoulders in line with each other. Melt the heart. Plug your arms in, hug the shoulder blades together, slide them down the spine, pull the belly up towards the ceiling, and then on the inhale, you're going to take the right arm up and out, and then bring your right shoulder to the mat, have the palm face up, and take a few rounds of breath here. Good. Inhale, come back up. Reset your alignment. Left arm up and out to the left side. Left shoulder to the mat. Have the palm face up. Take a few rounds of breath here. Inhale, come back up. From here, you're going to take your knees wide apart, let your big toes touch. Walk your arms forward as you sit the hips back to the heels. Bow into your mat. This is Balasana, child's pose. Deepen your breath. Good. Go ahead and walk your fingers back. Then from here, you're going to take a seat, extending the right leg. Spread the toes of your right foot, press through. pinky toe edge of your left foot as much as you can. Bring the left knee in line with the hip and lengthen the tailbone. Take your arms up, side body long, shine the heart. Exhale, take a bow. Arms plug into the shoulders, crown of the head moves towards the foot. Again, you're welcome to use a strap or a towel here if you can't reach your foot. Good. On the inhale, take the arms up. On the exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Connect with your breath. Good. Left ankle on top of the right thigh. You're going to spread the toes, press through both feet, get even on your seat. Hands are beside your hips, fingers are pointing straight ahead. Again, lengthen your side body, hug your shoulder blades together, pull your belly and rib cage back. Inhale, exhale, take a bow. Beautiful. Inhale, rise all the way up. Go ahead and extend your left leg. You're going to bend your right leg, pinky toe edge of the right foot as much as you can. Bring the right knee in line with the hip. Sit up nice and tall, arms up, side body long, shoulder blades back and down, belly back. Exhale, take a bow. Plug your arms in as you extend the crown of the head towards the foot. Beautiful. Arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Reconnect with your breath. Go ahead and bring your right foot to your left thigh. Spread the toes, press through the feet, hands beside the hip. Side body long, shine a heart. Inhale, exhale, take a bow. Good. Inhale, slowly rise up. Go ahead and release the right foot. Both feet are 4 inches apart, toes are straight ahead. Spread the toes, press through the feet. Inhale, arms up. Lengthen your side body, hug your shoulder blades together, pull your belly back. Exhale, bow over your legs, plugging your arms into your shoulders. Extend the crown of the head to your feet. Good. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. connect with your breath. Good. From here, you can come to Sukhasana, easy seat, or whatever seated position is most comfortable for you. Some people prefer to keep their legs straight out. Go ahead and take a deep inhale. Exhale, again, bow forward. Move from the waist, circle to the right. Deepen the breath, lift your heart. Exhale to the left and down. Just let your body flow. Reverse direction. Exhale down to center. Inhale. Slowly rise up. Good. And let's circle the shoulders. Just release all of that tension. Release all that fear. Good. Take it the other way. Release the arms, relax the shoulders, inhale. Exhale, bow your head. Keep your body soft, circle the head. Nice and slow, don't let the neck go back too far. Good. Open your mouth slightly, relaxing your jaw. Soften the area between the eyebrows. Again, just let all of that tension go. Reverse direction. Exhale, take the chin to the chest. On your inhale, go ahead and lift your gaze. Good, we're doing great on time this week. I'm excited. So we're going to do some more forward folding. Forward folding is a way to go into the self and to help you feel safe. So we're going to bring the soles of the feet together. You're going to hold on to your feet. Nice long side body. Hug the shoulder blades together. Pull the belly back. Inhale. Exhale. Take a bow. As always, just go where you can. Inhale, slowly come up. Take a few rounds of breath here. Good. And then go ahead and take the legs wide apart. Again, go where you can. Arms up overhead, side body long, shine the heart. Turn the palms forward, again, claw the sky, and then take a bow, go where you can. Hug the shoulder blades together, bow in. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Go ahead and take a comfortable seat. Bow into your heart. Thank yourself for coming to your mat. And I thank you for practicing with me. Namaste. And as always, if you enjoyed this class, please explore the deeper sessions on the Patreon page. You will also find meditations, recipes, and inspiration. That page is patreon.com/everhealth. The link will also be in the description for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like, the thumbs up button. Please comment, tag some friends, and of course share the video. And if you aren't already a subscriber, please hit the red subscription button as well as the little bell in the corner that lets you know when the next video has been uploaded. So thank you so much for practicing with me, and I look forward to practicing with you again next week.